Let's take a look at a simple closet layout in AutoCabinets. I'm going to select floor option. We already have a 120 by 120 floor specified. I'm just going to insert that into the job. This will give me something to snap the walls to. So when I click on the wall command, I can just simply select draw, select the back wall. It's confirming that's the length I want, and I'm just going to select that. I'll go ahead and draw, and we'll just put two simple walls on the side, and we'll do one more wall on this side. So there's our closet layout. We're just going to put closet cabinets across this back wall. I will close this. We'll go to the library. I'll just take this tall open unit. When we created this in the library, I made this tall opening at 30 inches length of the shelf. So let's reduce that to 24. It's 72 inches tall. It's going to be 12 inches from the bottom and 84 inches to the top, which is, I want to line up all these closet units at 84 during this during the closet layout. So I'm just going to tell it to center it. 24, I'll unlock the width. So when I select insert, I'm just going to select the start of the wall, the end of the wall. It's going to move it over and reduce the size down to 24 inches. I'm going to go back to the library, take a center panel, a shared panel. I'm going to tell the first one to just be to the right. Insert that. Pop it in there. I'm going to go back to the library. Take the same center panel. This time leave it at left and insert that. In this way, we can share this panel between the other components. Let's put a left and a right panel in now. I'm going to go to the library, and we'll take a left panel. Just say from left. Insert that. It's over to the left. We scale the things down, but it actually says left panel there on it. The text down. We'll go back to the library. Take a right panel. I'm just going to tell it from the right. And just select the start and an end position. Now I'm going to just divide these up with the shared panels as well. I'll go back to the library. Take that center panel again. I'm just going to tell it to center it and insert. I'm just going to go from there to there. It'll center that panel. Go back to the library. Take that center panel again. And just tell it to center it. So click there. Now I have the closet divided up the way I wanted to divide it up. I can take the toolbar, pull it down here so you can see it, and just check the dimensions there. That's 22 and 7/8. Click here to there, 22 and 7/8. So all these sections are 22 and 7/8. So that means that the homeowner could actually reconfigure whatever I put into these sections now at any time, or we could come back in and reconfigure that at any point. I'm going to go back to the library. I'll take a say a double rod, double shelf unit, and I'll just say select distance on screen. Because I made it a little bit wider than the 22 and 7/8 is a 24-inch unit, so I'm going to actually shrink the unit down, It's going to be at 84 inches to the top. I'm going to insert that. Select here to the panel. I'll go back to the library. We'll take, this is still selected from the last time I selected it. I'm going to just balance out this closet, so I'm going to tell it to select distance on screen again as well and insert it. Select here to that corner. Now I have these two sections left open here, so if I wanted for tall hanging clothes or whatever I want to put into here, I'll go to the library, take a top rod with a shelf, a top with a shelf. I'm just going to say select distance on screen. It remembers all my offsets, so it's going to automatically put it at 84 inches up. I'm going to insert this to here, have it stretch to there, and we'll go back to the library one more time. Take that same unit, stretch on screen, to here. So as soon as we have your layout done, if we look at it in the split view, elevations, see all your dimensions clearly marked for you. The center unit was the only unit that was larger. So all these are interchangeable parts. If you go to the 3D, and we can rotate this around in any view you want to look at. If I want to get rid of this wall, I'll just delete that wall temporarily so I can get a better view of this. And then select the render option. Get a view that will hopefully impress the homeowner. Slide this over. These are just your material rendering properties, and I'm going to tell the coatings to have kind of a satin finish on the coatings, and we're going to have our floor in there. I'm going to go ahead and close this. I'm going to add a simple light to the room, and we'll just call it simple, fast, and sunny. And there's your simple closet layout.